Hey guys, so a number of you have been asking me if I was going to review the new RunCam 3S because I did do a review of the RunCam 3 a while back before they pulled it off the market, and I was considering doing that. I was looking at some of the sample video from the early reviews. They seemed to be positive, but then I saw RC Shim's review and it looked like there's some sort of imaging issue, and I thought that the image quality looked a little strange, a little bit like maybe blown out. Just hard to explain. On some of the early samples, I thought maybe I just needed some adjustments or maybe a firmware update possibly, but then when I saw RC Shim's review, it looked like there's actually a lens problem. So at this point, based on the information I saw, and I'll link the review to his video in the description if you want to check that out. But based on what I saw, I think it's probably best to wait until the next version, at least the next hardware revision of this, to see if they fix that problem, because the image quality actually looks worse than the previous version of the RunCam 3. And if that's the case, then yeah, it's probably not worth the money. I'd wait until they fix the issues until the next version. So short video here, that's my conclusion. I'm not going to review this camera, and I'm going to wait until they fix the issues before I try and acquire a sample and give you guys a review. So if you guys are wondering if you should get this, I'd say save your money and wait till the next version.